In this video, we are going to see how to create and update constant contact from QuickBooks Online. So let's say that you are using QuickBooks as an accounting software where every time a new customer is created, you want the same customer to be created as a contact or should be updated as a contact in Constant Contact, which is an email marketing software. Now, how can that be done? For this, you will have to integrate the two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be QuickBooks and your action application would be Constant Contact. Now, how can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in here and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab, sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So you can explore the application. Now I'm going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user here. And here we have reached all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the dashboard. Let's click on create workflow tab. And here it is asking us to name our workflow. Now my objective here is to update or create constant contact from QuickBooks Online. So every time a contact is created in QuickBooks Online, automatically the same contact must be either created or updated in constant contact. Let's click on create. Now as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one here is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens and action says do this. Basically action here is the response of your trigger application. Now here my trigger application would be QuickBooks Online. Let's click on this. And now the trigger event. So this is the event that will make my workflow run. So this would be new customer. So now here you can see it is written that this trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours, which basically means that this trigger application has a polling time of 8 hours. So this workflow is going to run after every 8 hours to fetch new data. Now I'm going to click on connect. Now as I do that, here you can see that Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with a QuickBooks Online account. I'm going to click on add new connection and connect with QuickBooks Online. I have already logged into my QuickBooks account, and here you can see that the authorization has been successful. So once this is done, I'm going to take you to my QuickBooks account. So this is the dashboard, and here we are going to go to customers. So once we are here, you can see that I already have a few customers here. Now to create a new customer, we are going to click on this green tab, new customer. Let's fill in the data. So the title here is Mr. First name is Dummy. The middle name, let it be, and then we have Test. This is the last name. Then the name of the company is Pabbly Connect. Then we have customer's display name. Then email address is dummytest@pabblytudes.com. Then we have the phone number. So this is the phone number. Then we have the mobile number. So this is the same number. And if you wish to add a website, you can do that. As I come down, this is the address. Now, do you want to add any notes and attachments? You can do that. I'm just going to leave this blank. Now the payment. So primary payment method. So let's say it is cash. Okay. And then additional information. So once we have filled in this information, I'm going to click on save. So as we do that, here we can see that a contact has been created. The name is Mr. Dummy Test, and this is the information. Now taking you back to Pabbly Connect. As I click on save and send test request, so the API response that we will receive will have the last contact created. And here you can see that the title is Mr. As I take you down, so here it is dummytest@pabblytudes.com. This is the mobile number. Again, as I scroll down, so this is the name. So we have got all the information here. So the address details, name details. Now with these details, I want to create a contact in constant contact. So my action application this time would be constant contact. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be to create or update a contact. Let's click on connect. And here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the constant contact account. Let's click on add new connection, connect with constant contact. And here you can see that Pabbly Connect is asking for access. Let's allow. And as we do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful. This basically means that constant contact is now connected with Pabbly Connect. And then here we have to map the information. What is mapping? Mapping means that I already have received this information in the previous step and I'm just going to retrieve it here. Like the email address. So as I click on this, it is showing me the previous step. And as I click on this and look for the email address, here it is. Then I need the first name. So again, I'm going to go here and my first name was dummy. This is it. Now the last name here is test. So this is the family name. Then the job title. So if you want to add job title, you can do that. Then company name. So I'm going to map this as well. So this is Pabbly Connect. This is the company name. Then we have the phone number. So as I scroll down, here is the phone number. Okay. Then we have the list membership. Now, as I take you to constant contact, let me show you. So this is constant contact and here we are at the contacts page, right? So here when I click on contacts, you can see here that we have got different lists, right? So these are the various lists. So I already have created a list. The name is QuickBook. Every time a contact is created in QuickBooks, then that particular contact would be added in this list. Okay, so this way I can segregate that. So going back to Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to look for QuickBook. And now if you wish to add the anniversary, birthday month, birth date, kind, street, city, state, postal code, country, you can do that. I'm just going to leave this blank. Let's click on save and send test request. And as I do that, here we can see that we have received the response which says that the contact has been created. I'm going to take you to constant contact. Let's go to contacts once again. And here let's go to contacts. And here we can see as I scroll down dummy test. So this particular contact has been created. This basically means that our integration process is a complete success. Now since we have a polling time of 8 hours, so I'm not going to check this in real time, but this is the same process. I hope you have understood this. Let me quickly take you through the process. So here our trigger application was QuickBooks Online and the event was new customer. Our action application was constant contact and the event was create or update a contact. This is an extremely easy two-step integration process. I hope you are clear with this. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. If in case you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.